it's 10 a.m.
Today I got cold.
Belle, yeah.
So this is Belle, this is
This
Belle.
is Belle too.
Can I call her Bella?
Yeah, Bella Hadid. Yeah, so this is my friend. Hello. Hello. You're not my friend. Go away.
Who are you?
I don't know.
Keep fighting.
First thing first, after taking showers, doing makeup, and curl my hair, it's losing now, but that's fine. After that, we go to my faculty, Basai, to the meeting room. So our today selection of transportation will be Grab. Let's go. That I'm going to be late today because of traffic, and I woke up a bit late as well, but we'll be there as soon as possible. And since there's a lot of traffic, so it's my eating time. This is Prim, our R&D, and today it's, what time is it?
10:13.
It's 10:13. We have meeting at 10. Prim is coming. She's in the middle of the road, but Fasai. No, but we cannot contact Fasai, and I guess. Yeah, I guess. I don't know where she. I cannot contact her. So let's see if she's waking up or not. If we're gonna have a meeting or not. I'm parking my car already, and I arrive at around 10:25. And the reason why I'm not in a hurry is because I just got a call from Bam that she couldn't call Fasai. Like, there is no response from her. And then after a while, Fasai just texted in a group chat that she was waking up late today since her phone is dying. And yeah, that's why I'm pretty chill. But I don't know why there's a lot of cars today, because like I'm parking on 6th floor.
Oh, morning. Right now it's 10 a.m. My phone, it's like my battery is ran out and it's not alarm. Speed morning routine. And change my clothes. Ooh. Okay, next makeup. Hey, you see this? I feel like woke up on 7 a.m. but now it's 11. Oh, I'm on hurry and I will go to school by Grab. In their room.
have charger
no
Okay, so we got a situation update now.
Okay.
So it is around 1:30 p.m.
Wait for me. Okay, that.
Who's that?
who's there
Is that
Walking with swipe.
Hola, amigo, amiga. ¿Tú tienes leche?
bad girl go
oh 8 in the morning the reason why I'm wearing mask is because yesterday I got cold woke up at 8 because sharp 8 no 8:30 because I know that I need to prepare I need to film I need to vlog so I wake up a little bit early to prepare everything okay nice woman ask yourself as well I plan to wake up on 7 a.m. like 7 and 10 minutes I already like set the alarm but an accident happened because I bring my battery like power bank to my bed and charge it but my battery is running out and it's not wake me up so I woke up on 10 a.m. but we have like remark but I have a huge remark which is this is not normal me is always comes before time this is an accident, you know. Everyone can have accident.
Hello, it's afternoon time and we're moving from that small room to this big meeting room because we will have another few members coming around 4. And as I mentioned in the morning, today is a long day for Swipe and we're gonna have like a team bonding activities which is a dinner together. Look at her. Okay, so น้องใบเตย and น้องฟ้า What's your name?
Je m'appelle Bill Je m'appelle Tu Aussi Ice
Okay, so from now on, we're going to have a team dinner together. It's very chaotic here. Please introduce Belle.
Hello
Hello.
Hello my name is Bill yes
So this is Belle, this is
this is
Belle.
Bell too
Can I call her Bella?
yeah Bella Hadid so my name is Bella Swart
Who are you?
¿Cuándo es?
Gondolist. What about you?
I'm far
Hi, it's me. Okay, it's me. What we will go now? Camp Town. Yeah. We will like go introduce our member. Like one by one. Hi. This is Nong Fa, our content marketing. What's your hobby?
go to cafe
Please choose one English word for Swipe.
excited okay
Me ใบเตย
from marketing friendly joyful straight
No kidding. Did you know that?
happy
Give one word to like
One
new
word.
graphics. Graphics.
Keep fighting.
yeah so this is my friend hello you're not my friend go away
Who are you?
I don't know but I'm Thai oh
Oh, hi, word.
So now we are going to fam time together with our team. I speak this for 3 times that because you are vlogging. Cannot see you. Bye bye. Can you bye bye? Can you bye bye? Can you bye bye?
Can someone tell P. Oscar?
I'm Oscar. I work as a software engineer in at Swipe.
Yo! Wow!
This is Pinay, our Chinese. No.
Korea.
No.
Egypt. Okay, see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.
Okay guys, the thing is, right now it's 6 p.m. and actually we have a plan together since it is Swipe bonding day. So we plan to eat dinner together as a team at fam time. However, I couldn't make it because I'm feeling not quite well and I'm a little bit sick today. So I'm planning to go see doctors or having some medicines, taking a rest at home. Yeah, that's why I couldn't make it today. But hope you guys enjoy eating together and hope you get close to each other. And probably maybe next time I'll join you guys. But yeah, that's probably the ending part of my video today because I think I'm going to take a rest at home. And also tomorrow is my midterm day and I haven't started reading a book yet. So yeah, that's might be the ending of today's video. So bye bye.
I'm home now and right now it's around 10 p.m. Yeah. Today we have overall all department team bonding and dinner, which everyone come across Bangkok. Pinay, our editor, got into the taxi and go to BTS and come along the way from Rangsit to Siam, and that's so long, you know. And the time is 6 p.m. so the traffic is oh my god. Yeah, and our P. Oscar, which is our tech team, the back end one. Cause right now we are open the recruitment. Cause we lack of front end developer mobile who can use React Native. We hope that we can have our ideal member who have skill and commitment. Please be teacher of us to make a Swipe successful version of MVP 1. It's okay, MVP 1, it's enough for this time. And right now it's 10 p.m. and 11 p.m. we will have tech stand-up meeting and then I will go to sleep. I'm so sleepy right now.